Well, hello there and welcome back. Thanks for joining me. I have another box here from Amazon. I've ordered this up 2 days ago in the evening and it shipped today. I received it today. It's got a few items inside, only one that we're going to be reviewing though. Let me just get this open. Yes, it has a battery inside. That is these. The MPOW M5 wireless earbuds. And these ones are Bluetooth, and they're the latest Bluetooth 5.0. They do have the IPX7 waterproof, which is like a splash proof. And being the latest one, it's got the Qualcomm chip, which is supposed to be the best for doing the Bluetooth, as well as the noise cancellation. It's like 8.0 is the noise cancellation. So the total charge time, I'm not sure if it says it right here, but total charge time is 42 hours on the whole unit. The earbuds hold 6 hours of charge, and then the case will hold another 36 hours of charge. And then every time you put the earbuds into the case, they'll automatically start to charge. So let's get inside this here and see what we have. The box. Yeah, so these came from Amazon. They were $59. I know other people have reviewed them, but it's first for me. Let's get this out here. So, here's the case. It does have that sort of leather feel on it, or naga, the hide of a naga. I'm not sure how many nagas it would take to make this, but it's got their name sort of press fit in there. Nice case. It's got a magnetic closure, so you sort of feel the positive click on it. It's got the USB, micro USB charge port on the back. It's got the LED lights across the front, giving you the charge indication of this case. On the bottom here, where the lanyard and the charge cable are, as well as additional earbuds in different sizes. So it comes with the 2 mediums. Inside this package are 2 small and 2 large. These just pop out like little peanut buds. So here they are. There's a left and a right. And then that also matches up with the case. In the case here it shows a left and a right. Oop, there it is. And so when you get them the right way, you just pop in. And they're also drawn in tight with magnets. And that's about, I think, all I can tell you. I'm going to plug it in, get them on charge, make sure they're fully charged before I use them the first time. And then I'll come back and show you how I sync them to my phone, Bluetooth them, and also, more importantly, to my watch, the new Garmin Fenix 6X Sapphire. 32 gig of memory for songs. And it'll Bluetooth to these devices, so I don't need to bring my phone anymore. Of course, I always bring my phone, but maybe not now. All right, so let's finish this off. This is what's in the box. And thanks for watching. I'll have some more reviews on this product coming up soon. Bye. Boom.
Hey YouTube, it's Polar Time. My vlog will feature travel and adventure tours. Come along for the ride. What's stopping you? Come on, let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. Hey YouTube, it's Polar Time. My vlog.